but yet I kind of like it. But I also know it's not good. I don't know what's happening. That's bomb. Here we go. It's cold. It's really cold, sorry. Don't buy this. Today, we are going to be putting some of your favorite celebrities' food and drink brands to the test. I don't know what it is, but every celebrity these days has some sort of brand to some degree. So if you guys want to see more of these, let me know because there are plenty more to do. Sometimes they're really good and sometimes they are really bad. And I'm super excited because today we are focusing on some fun food and drinks. I'm hungry, so I feel like we should just get into it. We are beginning with Miss Gwyneth Paltrow, Miss Goop herself, Goop Kitchen. I have never tried Goop Kitchen. I've always wanted to try it because I've had so many friends tell me that it is really good. It's basically a delivery-only restaurant in LA, and I know they have different branches. I've heard there's like a rotisserie chicken one. I've heard they have like a bunch of different ones. This one here is just OG Goop Kitchen, and I am excited to try the food today. Allegedly, this is very healthy because there is no like processed foods in here, no gluten, no dairy, no sugar, no fun. No, I'm just kidding. I think it's gonna taste good. I think it's a really good option if you're looking for something healthy, but again, I will say it was pricey. Love Miss Gwyneth, but I would expect nothing less. For all the things that I ordered with tip, it came out to $75.77. I really didn't order much, so let's get into it. We've got our bag here. I have to say, it smells delicious. We have here the teriyaki chicken bowl, which I've heard from a lot of people that this is amazing. We got, oh my God, this is cute, a chicken salad lunchbox. We got some soup, and we got a singular egg. First up, I will say it comes with a good amount of soup. This is the Japanese sweet potato soup. It's served with glazed and roasted Brussels sprouts. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan. All right, I love a potato soup. I put the little crispy Brussels on top. Let's get a big bite with everything. It looks thick. I mean, this is a meal within itself. Wow. Oh, there's like whole Brussels sprouts in here. Oh my God. As a soup lover, I will be craving this and I will be getting this more frequently after today. It's really nice. It's thick, it's hearty, it's filling. I really like it. It doesn't just taste like blended potatoes. There's like a lot of depth of flavor. It tastes very like caramelized onions and carrots, lots of vegetables, lots of seasoning. I will definitely try to recreate those because I like it. Next up, I ordered this simply because I needed to know, was I simply buying one egg? The answer is yes. The price for this, please hold, the 7-minute egg, $3.59. Is it cooked perfectly? Yes, but can you simply put a dozen eggs in boiling water, cook it for 7 minutes, hit it with an ice bath, and be done? Yes, I literally did this morning for myself. But I mean, let's give it a little taste test. I mean, the yolk looks fantastic. I actually don't really like the seasoning on top, so my $4 egg is ruined, but I'm gonna eat it. Next up, this is the chicken salad lunchbox. Inspired from the pages of Gwyneth Paltrow's The Clean Plate, this is essentially a grown-up version of your school lunchbox. Bet you can't eat just one. I mean, this is a good amount of food, but for the price, crazy. We got like a beet salad, snap pea salad, pickled onions, the crackers, chicken salad, and then some avocado with olive oil. So it's like good healthy fats going on. A little chicken salad, a little avocado. Here's our stacked bite. Oh, honestly, really good. I love a little DIY situation. I don't like beets. Let me try this. I'm not looking forward to it though. When I eat a beet, I imagine just being at a garden and having a big trough of soil and just going, don't love the beets. I love a snap pea. That's bomb. I think what throws me off about this, you know, none of it actually requires any cooking, so it's so easy to make. Like the soup I thought was really good because you have to roast everything, blend it, clean that all, like it's a whole process. This I could make in like 10 minutes. Last but not least, we have the Goop teriyaki chicken bowl, which again, I've heard so many people talk about. We got broccoli, we got kale, we got rice, chicken, avocado, the sauce. Also, I got to pick between dark meat or white meat. I went with dark meat. It was $20.39. This better be the best thing I've ever put in my mouth. Let's get a little, oh, shut up, you two. Here we go. Not better than flame broiler, that's for sure. It's good. I'm sure a big part of all of these you're paying for the quality of the ingredients. I'm sure it's organic and all those things, but it's good. I think if I were to ever reorder anything again, it would be the soup or this. Chicken quality is very nice. Gwyneth just can't keep getting away with these prices. Next up, we are trying one of my favorite people to ever exist, Bretman Rock, who just in fact was on the most recent episode of Pretty Basics.
You know a baby is always gonna need a daddy. And what would Beyonce do? What would Barney do?
I have a hard-hitting question.
Hit me, girl.
Do you eat chicken?
Truly, I think it was like my favorite episode we've done in 5 years. He is the best. And I'm sure this is gonna taste delicious, but even if it doesn't, I would never say a bad thing about Bretman, so let's eat up. Just kidding, I'll give you an honest review. So this is from an ice cream shop called Wanderlust Creamery, which is super cool. They are Asian owned and they have a bunch of different ice cream flavors, all of which are inspired by different places of the world. Bretman did a collab and this is called Bretman Rock's Da Fruity Salad. So this is described as a colorful ode to the Filipino fruit salad of Bretman's childhood. Plant-based cream, thank God for my stomach, spun with ribbons of Philippine mango jam, coconut sport, I don't know what coconut sport is, cubes of jackfruit sherbet, ooh, I've never tried jackfruit, pineapple and coconut pandan jellies, love, maraschino cherries, and pearls of peach sorbet. Vegan and dairy-free, bitch. Proceeds from this flavor will be donated to the Golden Gaze, a Philippine nonprofit organization that provides support and care facilities for elderly LGBTQ people. That is amazing. It looks amazing. Kind of smells like lightly fruity and kind of like graham crackers for some reason, but I am so excited to get in here and just try a bite of everything. So let's get one giant bite. Here we go. Oh, cold. It's really cold, sorry. The actual base itself is delicious. The texture is perfect. It's like light and airy, but also still like thick and creamy at the same time. I will say there's a lot going on with all the little mix-ins, so I don't know what I'm eating, but I know that it tastes good. Oh my God. Ooh, I got a jelly texture. Honestly, it's delicious. This is so refreshing, so perfect for, I mean, I wish it was summertime still. Oh yeah, I got like a long string of coconut something here. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's amazing. A Cold Stone dream. They put all the things in there, mix it up. It's delicious. I will absolutely, oh, it's limited time. I would absolutely go back and get this again. It's so good. I love it. 12 out of 10 Bretman. I'm not just saying this because I love him, even though I do love him, but like this is one of the best flavors I've tried at Wanderlust. It's bomb. Moving on, we are going to try Miss Bella Hadid's Kin Euphorics. I got this in a PR box forever ago and I've been wanting to try it for so long. I'm so glad I waited for this moment to try it with you guys. It's a mocktail. It's described as a functional beverage for modern rituals. The can language is a little odd, to be honest. This one is in the flavor Light Wave, Grounding Calm. It says open a portal to peace, and in here there's reishi mushrooms that help to ease stress, L-theanine, which balances for mind and body, and then L-tryptophan, which supports serotonin. Sparkling notes of lavender, vanilla, smoked sea salts, and passion flower meet mind-calming ingredients to mellow you out and help you to transcend stress. Think naked forest bathing at midnight. Can't say I've ever done it, but I'm excited to try. So this retails for $16 for a pack of 4. Here we go, let's give her a try. We're like the fitness TikTok girlies. Oh, wasn't as exciting as I thought it was gonna be. Right off the bat, it smells very licorice forward.
Girl.
Oh my God, it tastes so bad. As I was putting it in my mouth, I remember a lot of people were saying that these taste really bad, but I had already put it in my mouth. It tastes okay at first, but the aftertaste slash like the taste of it going down tastes very medicated, very herbal. I don't know what I'm tasting, but it's not good. Oh my God. Wow. I will never be putting this in my mouth again. I love weird drinks though, so maybe no. Do it.
Oh, it smells like cough syrup.
Take a big sip. Yeah!
It's kind of like gross. I don't hate it actually. I mean, I wouldn't buy it.
It's the aftertaste. It's the aftertaste.
It tasted like Dr. Pepper until
And
the
then
aftertaste.
I want to know like who in the lab tasted this and was like, that's the one. The statements have not been evaluated by the FDA.
Miss Remy just drugged us.
I don't know, don't buy this. Next up in this video, we're trying the Be Happy popcorn that is sold exclusively at Walmart for $3.98 a bag.
Okay.
Can you guess what celebrity and or influencer came out with Be Happy popcorn?
No.
Sometimes I just wanna be happy. Don't.
I don't know.
The D'Amelio family popcorn.
Cool.
Today we have 4 flavors to try. We have cotton candy, maple bacon, nice spice, Parmesan garlic. So allegedly this has no artificial flavors. It's gluten-free, low in cholesterol. This is Mark D'Amelio's flavor apparently, guys. Wow, get a whiff of that. I have to say that smells actually very good and the kernels are very large and in charge. Cheers. They're very airy, and I know that's what they were going for. I like a little bit less air in my popcorn personally. I like more crunch, but thoughts?
It's fine. Like, I'm not grabbing it. Sorry,
Yeah.
Mr. Mark.
Sorry, Mark. Then we have maple bacon. I'm not a maple bacon fan normally, but I'm curious to try. These are very interesting flavors. Whoa. Oh my God, what does that smell like?
Whoa, very maple-y.
Whoa. Oh,
Syrupy.
that's so weird. It tastes like airy bacon.
Why do I kind of like that better?
That was weird for me. I'm gonna put Parmesan garlic first and maple bacon second. Are you
I kind of
swapping?
like, yeah, I kind of like maple bacon more.
Okay, next we have nice spice, which like, what are the flavors in nice spice?
Salt, paprika, sugar, garlic powder, spices, buttermilk.
Ooh, I think I like that one. Each one is like a nice little reddish orange. Very well seasoned, all of them are. Ooh, that's got a kick to it.
I like that one too. Like good flavor, it's just the popcorn itself is like.
A little too airy. Mine's gonna go Parmesan garlic, nice spice, maple bacon.
I think maple bacon's still first.
Okay.
And then nice spice, Parmesan garlic
So
one.
funny.
This one is not good.
Finishing with Charlie and Dixie's cotton candy popcorn.
So they just put, like,
Holy whoa! These things are crazy. That is
I'm
just
sorry,
like
that's a lot.
cotton candy.
all right. Oh my God.
Oh, I love it. It smells like a candle. I love it.
Not bad though.
I like it a lot. Cotton candy wins for me. It's the most subtle flavor out of all of them. It's like just a little sweet. It's not overpowering.
I think this goes just above garlic parmesan.
What? That's your third?
Yeah, I like the spiciness.
All right, we'll take these up to your room. These are your office snacks now.
Okay.
Next up, we have Taylor Swift's BFF, Blake Lively, aka Serena Vanderwoodson. Blake Lively has a company called Betty Buzz. I will say I was a little confused, as I know a lot of us were this year, when Betty Buzz dropped an alcohol product, because I know she started the whole brand for being like a mocktail situation since she doesn't drink, so I know that was confusing. But today we're gonna try some of the mocktail mixer products. Here we have her ginger beer with real ginger juice, and then here we have her sparkling lemon lime with real Meyer lemon and lime juice. These packs of 4 retail for $8, so each bottle is $2. 9 fluid ounces in here, which I do think is a little bit steep, but obviously this is like a craft product. The glass bottle is very nice. You know, when you go to the store and for like a $2 bottle of ginger ale from like Canada Dry, obviously the ingredients aren't amazing, even though it tastes delicious. So I want to believe that this has better ingredients. Like right now, this is carbonated water, agave syrup, lime juice, lemon juice concentrate, natural flavors, and sea salt. Apparently it's free from artificial colors and sweeteners and things. So, I mean, overall, it's less expensive than I thought, but also, you know, if you're someone like Cocktails with the Cow, this might be a cool thing to have in your bar. And I'm excited to try them and then also make them into a couple mocktails and try those as well. Okay, first up, let's try the product as is. We have the sparkling lemon lime here, and I'm curious if it's gonna taste like Sprite. Not very Sprite-y whatsoever, but if my eyes were closed and you asked me what this is, I would say ginger beer. Unless I mix them up. Is this ginger beer? It is ginger beer. So sorry, I got that mixed up. Delicious ginger beer. Tastes exactly like ginger beer. Here we have the lemon lime. There we go. Okay. At least you know I'm gonna be honest. This looks like Sprite. Okay. I like it, but it's not what I was expecting at all. It's not very sweet at all. I think it's definitely a good mixer for drinks, which is what it's made for. I was thinking like you could drink this as a soda. I wouldn't drink this as a soda. It lacks a lot of flavor. It's kind of bleh. Ginger beer though, really good. Nice strong flavor. Next up, we made some mocktails from the Betty Buzz website with their recipes. We have a foam mojito with the lemon lime, and then we have a ginger apple situation here. The lemon lime recipe was simply just the lemon lime with some orange juice mixed in, a little orange for garnish, some mint for garnish. Let's give her a mix. It tastes like sparkling orange juice. It's not bad. It's a cute little mocktail if you want to throw a little mocktail party. And then the ginger apple is a mixture of the ginger beer with some fresh apple juice, as well as lemon juice. And then it called for cinnamon syrup, but we didn't have that. So we just put simple syrup in and put cinnamon on the top, and we're just gonna call it a day. Here we go. Ooh, that tastes like apple pie in a cup. I would definitely have this one again. I don't think I'd have this one again, but it wasn't bad. It was just very plain. Overall, on Betty Buzz, I'm actually surprised. I thought that the price was decent for the quality of ingredients and the quality of the product. I'd be very curious to try the actual alcohol from Betty Buzz. I know Cal has some delicious bottles for his bar cart. Color looks not great. Hello guys, I am coming back to film the rest of this video. Since I last saw you, I did chop my hair. So today we're coming back to try another overpriced Erewhon smoothie. This one is in collaboration with Miss Shay Mitchell. So this one is called the Not Basic smoothie, because you know Shay Mitchell has the luggage brand that's base. So in here, there is Milk Holiday Nog, which I actually did try in my coffee. I didn't like it. So we'll see if it's good. I'll blend it up. The color is a little suspicious, I will say. This is my matcha latte. That's like a really pretty, you know, like a minty matcha color. This is a little like baby puke colored, I will say. There's maple syrup in it, whole leaf aloe vera juice, Mary Ruth's raspberry liquid morning multivitamin, 4 sigmatic sweet vanilla protein, cold brew chia seeds, walnut, and spinach. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I'm gonna like this one. I think it was $21 actually. Already spending $20 on a smoothie is insane, but if I am going to spend that much, I hope I like it. Here goes nothing. There's so much going on. It's not good by any means. It's definitely not $21 worth good. It's honestly better than I was expecting based on the color. I can't describe the flavor. There's a lot going on. It's kind of like nutmeggy. You get that like kind of granular vegan protein taste, but yet I kind of like it. But I also know it's not good. I don't know what's happening. But you know what? I'm glad because I am gonna finish it if I spent $21 on this. But I would rate it like a solid like 6.5 out of 10. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see me try more celebrity influencer brands, foods, whatever, let me know. Also go check out my vlog channel because I'm doing Vlogmas over on youtube.com/remlife, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.